Okay, so finally hands on with the latest MIUI 13 version, and yes, I've installed it on my Redmi Note 8. Of course, it's not officially available, it's not officially rolled out for the Redmi Note 8 users. I just wanted to take a look at this MIUI 13 as it is based on Android version 11. For me, I have ported this from Tucana, the device Mi CC9 Pro. The thing is, it's just about the first look and first impressions about MIUI 13. Not gonna talk about the device specific things or if this something is working or not. This port is not usable at all, and I'm not gonna make it usable. Let me show you some things here as I have installed it. One thing which I was looking for is the control center. There are no changes in the control center, unfortunately, not a single change. Basically MIUI 12.5, or yes, it's not looking MIUI 13, just new logo and of course some new wallpapers. Let me show you the wallpapers which are included. If you move on to the libraries section, check out the glass wallpapers, crystallization wallpaper, concerto, nature patterns. All these wallpapers are included. Of course, the wallpapers, new wallpapers are there. Only these things what I got so far after using it for maybe just 5 minutes. I thought I should share with you my opinions. Of course, I will try to make a video on an in-depth video about MIUI 13, what I thought about, what I'm thinking about MIUI 13 right now. I'll make a video on that one maybe tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. But let me show you some things. The wallpapers are looking good. This is available only in China, so yes, no Google apps and nothing else. Don't expect anything, and I'm not going to provide you the link because it's not usable as I previously mentioned you. The logo, yes, this is official. This is the logo which we have right now. Also in the updater section, you already saw all those things, etc. Customization of features, of course, MIUI 13. Honestly, I didn't got any kind of feature difference so far. All the features which were present in the last beta updates of MIUI 12.5, everything is there. If you're able to see the home screen, you have don't show text setting available, which was not available unfortunately anywhere. So yes, at least something new is what I found so far. Other things, navigation, etc., no major things or no major changes. Notification control center is also same. Notification shade also does not have any kind of changes unfortunately. Control centers, etc., has almost same kind of things available for you. As I previously mentioned you, this port is not usable. I tried out to check out the things available in MIUI 13, nothing else, as this is based on Android version 11. Maybe in Android 12 update you might have some other things. I'll try to find out and I will make a video on those things too. Make sure to subscribe the channel to get notified to all these things videos. If you move on to the special features, you have the sidebar available. So yes, at least something different here. Smart toolbox is now renamed to sidebar. Basically, I think so. That's present there. You can enable this option if you want to enable this, and that was present in the last updates of MIUI 12.5 beta updates. If you have installed those things, yes, that thing is also there. Other things, let me show the game turbo as if this is present. Of course, it should there, and yes, it's there. The English game turbo with the balanced mode and performance mode, both of the things are present. At least some things they didn't compromise. Them things which you get in the MIUI 12.5 enhanced version is almost same with MIUI 13. So basically this might be a MIUI 12.5 enhanced version, basically enhanced. And yes, some widgets which you are expected, and also those some widgets which were present in the MIUI 12.5 enhanced also present in the MIUI 13. So I'm not going to differentiate between MIUI 12.5 or MIUI 13. Is there any difference? Let me know in comment box. These were my first impressions. These were my first things which I installed first time which I have installed MIUI 13, and these are my impressions. These were my reactions about this latest update from Xiaomi. Something different is of course here, you don't have the some MIUI 12.5 enhanced features too. I'll try to use it for at least a day and then I'll share with you my opinions. These are things I just want to let you know. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this. This is all about the MIUI 13 first look. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.